You think you understand what it feels like to fall in love. You might even believe you're just enjoying someone's company. But sometimes the emotions we experience go deeper than we realize, and before you know it, you're feeling things you didn't expect. That can leave you wondering, am I just infatuated, or is this the real thing? It's not always easy to tell if what you're feeling is true love, but there are clear psychological signs that reveal when you're falling head over heels. In this video, we'll show you exactly what those signs are, so you can finally understand your heart. Number 1, you find yourself thinking about them all the time. Does your heart leap a little every time your phone vibrates because you're hoping it's a message from them? Do you find yourself replaying moments you shared together, from a quick exchange of smiles to the sound of their laughter? Maybe they're the first person who comes to mind when something funny happens, and you just can't wait to tell them. When you're falling in love, your brain releases phenylethylamine, known as the love drug. This chemical heightens your focus on the object of your affection, making them occupy your thoughts constantly. Fun fact: phenylethylamine is also present in chocolate, which might explain why both love and chocolate can feel so addictive. Number 2, they've quietly climbed to the top of your priority list. Take a moment to think about your current priorities: family, friends, work, personal goals. Have they suddenly jumped into your top 5? Are you rearranging your schedule just to spend more time with them, or making decisions with their preferences in mind? Love has a way of reshuffling your internal ranking system. Without even realizing it, you start to prioritize their happiness and well-being. It's not that you're neglecting other aspects of your life. It's that their presence has become significant enough to influence your daily choices. Number 3, you find yourself trying new things. Falling in love can push you out of your comfort zone. Suddenly, you're curious about things you never gave a second thought to before. Maybe you've started listening to their favorite music, trying out their favorite cuisine, or joining them in activities they enjoy. You're not doing it to impress them. You genuinely want to share in their world and learn more about what makes them happy. Over time, these shared experiences become cherished memories and help you remember the little details about them. Number 4, you feel energized and motivated around them. Love activates the brain's dopamine reward system, which explains why you feel so good when you're with your partner. The excitement of being around them boosts your mood and gives you energy. Maybe you've noticed that waking up early isn't as hard anymore because you're eager to see them or talk to them. When being with someone makes life feel more vibrant and meaningful, it's a strong sign that your feelings are deeper than simple attraction. Number 5, you're investing more time in them. Time is one of the most valuable things we can give to someone. If you find yourself rearranging your schedule or prioritizing time with your partner, it's a clear sign that they've become important to you. This doesn't mean neglecting other responsibilities, but rather making a conscious effort to include them in your life. People who are falling in love naturally want to create more shared moments, which strengthens the bond between them. Number 6, you've started finding their quirks endearing. Maybe they snort when they laugh, chew their pens absent-mindedly, or insist on watching the same comfort show over and over. Once you might have raised an eyebrow at these quirks, but now you can't help but smile. Falling in love changes how you perceive the little things. What once seemed odd now feels uniquely charming. It's not just that you tolerate their quirks, you genuinely adore them. If you've caught yourself thinking that even their most peculiar habits are cute, you're definitely heading down love lane. Number 7, their preferences have started influencing yours. Are you suddenly drawn to indie films or classical music because they introduced you to it? Or maybe you've swapped your usual weekend plans for cozy nights in with them. This shift happens due to something called self-other overlap, where your identities begin to merge. Their likes, interests, and habits subtly blend into your own, creating a shared sense of self. It's not about losing your individuality, it's about finding joy in what brings them happiness. Number 8. You can't stop smiling. Whether it's over a goofy meme they sent or the memory of something sweet they said, you just can't help but smile lately. You might even catch yourself grinning at random moments, completely unprovoked. This surge of happiness is thanks to dopamine, the neurotransmitter responsible for pleasure. Falling in love triggers a dopamine rush, making you feel euphoric. The best part? Smiling creates a feedback loop. When you smile, your brain registers it as happiness, which makes you smile even more. Number 9. They make you feel better about yourself. Have you noticed yourself standing a little taller lately? Perhaps you've started wearing that bold red lipstick you were once too shy to try, or you've caught yourself humming a happy tune around the house. Love often brings out a newfound confidence. This is linked to a psychological concept called self-expansion, where being in a relationship helps you see yourself in a more positive light. You feel good because you're loved, and that love makes you feel more capable, attractive, and vibrant. Number 10. You're sure they feel the same way about you. Love is a two-way street. It's not just about how you feel, it's also about how your partner makes you feel in return. If they show genuine interest in getting to know you and put in the effort to make you feel valued, it's a positive indicator that they like you back. Mutual liking forms the foundation for deeper emotional bonds. As you continue to discover each other's personalities, those connections will strengthen, paving the way for love to blossom. Number 11. You celebrate their wins, even when you're struggling. Love isn't just about enjoying the good times, it's about supporting each other through thick and thin. If you find yourself genuinely happy for your partner's successes, even when you're facing challenges, it shows that their happiness matters deeply to you. There's no jealousy or competition, just pure pride in seeing them thrive. When you love someone, their victories feel like your own because you're rooting for them every step of the way. Conclusion: falling in love can be one of the most beautiful and overwhelming experiences in life. If you've noticed these signs in yourself, chances are your feelings go deeper than you thought. Love isn't always easy to recognize at first, but when it happens, it changes everything. How you see the world, how you feel, and how you connect with others. Remember, everyone experiences love differently, so embrace your emotions and let yourself enjoy the journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on love and relationships. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.